In the early 20th century, something quietly entered everyday life. Cars were becoming common. But engines had a problem. Manufacturers needed a solution. Redesigning engines would take years. So they looked for something simpler. They found it. When lead was added to gasoline, engines ran smoother. From the outside, it looked like a breakthrough. Lead was not a new substance. Doctors had documented its effects for centuries. None of this was a secret. But context matters. In fuel, lead was described as different. Testing focused on machines, not people. No one studied what would happen over time. That question never came up. Because the only question that mattered was simple. Does it work? And it did. So it was approved. Once approved, leaded gasoline spread everywhere. It became normal. People trusted the system. If it was dangerous, someone would have stopped it. That was the assumption. But the damage didn't look like danger. Lead particles settled slowly. Children were exposed the most. The effects were subtle. Nothing dramatic. And because there was no single disaster, industry defended the product. Regulators hesitated. So nothing changed. Year after year, leaded gasoline stayed in use. Eventually, the evidence became impossible to ignore. Leaded gasoline was phased out. But by then, the damage had already been done. This wasn't a failure of science. It was a failure of objection. The decision was approved. And because no one objected loudly enough when it mattered, the system continued. This was approved. And no one objected.